Let me share with you a powerful truth. A side hustle is one of the most effective ways to create additional income, explore your passions, and build a safety net for your financial future, all while keeping the stability of your full-time job. If you've ever dreamed of starting something on the side but felt overwhelmed by the idea of balancing it with your primary career, I'm here to tell you that it's absolutely possible. With the right mindset, planning, and execution, you can build a thriving side hustle without burning out. Let me show you how to make it happen. The first step to building a successful side hustle is to identify your why. Why do you want to start a side hustle? Is it to generate extra income, pursue a passion, develop new skills, or eventually transition into full-time entrepreneurship? Your reason will keep you motivated when things get tough. Write it down and revisit it. Often it's your anchor during busy or discouraging times. A clear purpose ensures that your side hustle aligns with your long-term goals and values. Next, choose a side hustle that fits your skills, interests, and lifestyle. The best side hustles leverage what you're already good at or passionate about. For example, if you're a strong writer, consider freelance writing or blogging. If you enjoy crafting, sell handmade goods online. If you're tech savvy, explore opportunities like web design, coding, or creating digital products. The key is to pick something that excites you and doesn't feel like a chore. Passion fuels persistence, which is critical when juggling a full-time job and a side project. Once you've chosen your side hustle, start small and test the waters. You don't need to quit your day job or invest thousands of dollars up front. Begin with low-cost, low-risk experiments to validate your idea. For instance, if you want to sell products, start with a small inventory. Use print-on-demand services. If you're offering services, take on a few clients to refine your offerings and build confidence. This approach minimizes risk and allows you to learn as you go. Remember, perfection isn't the goal, progress is. One of the biggest challenges of running a side hustle while working full-time is time management. To succeed, you'll need to be intentional about how you allocate your hours. Start by identifying pockets of time in your schedule: early mornings, evenings, weekends, or even lunch breaks. Treat these blocks as non-negotiable appointments with yourself. Use tools like calendars, task managers, or productivity apps to stay organized and focused. Be realistic about what you can accomplish in a day and prioritize high-impact activities that move your side hustle forward. To maximize efficiency, set specific, measurable goals for your side hustle. For example, aim to earn $500 in your first month, secure 3 clients by the end of the quarter, or launch your website within 2 weeks. Clear goals provide direction and help you measure progress. Break larger objectives into smaller, actionable steps, such as updating your portfolio, reaching out to potential customers, or learning a new skill. Celebrate each milestone to stay motivated and maintain momentum. Another important factor is learning to say no. When you're working full-time and building a side hustle, your time and energy are limited. Protect them fiercely by saying no to activities that don't align with your priorities. This might mean declining social invitations, cutting back on screen time, or outsourcing household chores. Every hour you reclaim can be invested in your side hustle. Remember, saying no to distractions means saying yes to your dreams. As your side hustle grows, leverage automation and delegation to scale efficiently. Automating repetitive tasks saves time and reduces stress. For example, use scheduling tools to manage client meetings, email marketing platforms to nurture leads, or e-commerce solutions to handle orders. When possible, delegate tasks that don't require your personal touch. Hiring freelancers or virtual assistants can free up valuable time for higher level work. Scaling smartly ensures that your side hustle remains sustainable as it expands. Don't underestimate the power of networking and community. Surround yourself with people who support your journey, whether it's mentors, peers, or online groups. Join forums, attend workshops, or connect with others in your industry to learn from their experiences and gain insights. Networking not only provides valuable advice, but also opens doors to collaboration, partnerships, and customer referrals. Building relationships amplifies your reach and accelerates your growth. Finally, stay patient and persistent. Building a side hustle takes time, effort, and resilience. There will be days when progress feels slow or setbacks occur. But remember, every successful entrepreneur started where you are now. Focus on consistent action, even if it's just an hour a day. Over time, those small efforts compound into significant results. Keep refining your strategy, learning from mistakes, and adapting to changes. Success belongs to those who refuse to give up. Here's a practical tip. Create a weekly routine for your side hustle. Dedicate specific days or times to focus on different aspects of your business, such as marketing, product development, or client outreach. For example, spend Monday evenings brainstorming ideas, Wednesday nights working on content creation, and Saturday mornings connecting with potential customers. A structured routine keeps you accountable and ensures steady progress. Let me leave you with this thought. A side hustle isn't just about making money, it's about creating opportunities and unlocking your potential. Whether you're looking to supplement your income, explore a passion, or build a path toward financial independence, the skills and discipline developed along the way will serve you for life. By managing your time wisely, staying focused on your goals, and embracing the process, you can turn your side hustle into a meaningful and rewarding venture. So here's my challenge to you: take action today. Identify one idea for a side hustle, research its feasibility, and commit to taking the first step, whether it's setting up a website, reaching out to your network, or dedicating 30 minutes a day to planning. Progress, no matter how small, builds momentum. Go ahead, start now. Your future self will thank you.